In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a collapsible section in Wix, an incredibly useful feature if you're looking to organize content more effectively on your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create stylish and functional collapsible sections, or accordions, that not only save space but also enhance user experience. To get started, head over to Wix Studio. Make sure you log into your Wix account if you haven't already, as you'll need access to your site's editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the option to add elements. This is your gateway to introducing new features and designs to your website. Click on Add Elements to open a menu that's packed with various tools you can use. Next, within the same menu, find and click on Layout Tools. This section is all about organizing the layout of the different components on your page, which is crucial for maintaining a clean and easy-to-navigate site. Here, you'll see many options, but your focus should be on finding the Accordions tool. Click on Accordions, and you'll be presented with various styles and formats to choose from. Now, it's all about choosing the accordion that best suits your site's aesthetic and needs. Take your time to browse through the options. Remember, the appearance of your accordion can play a significant role in how easily users interact with your website. Once you've settled on a design, click to insert it onto your page. With your accordion added, it's time to fine-tune its contents and settings. Locate and click on Manage Items. This feature allows you to organize what goes into each section of your accordion. You can add or remove items and reorder them to ensure the most important content is displayed prominently. Think of each section as a chapter of a story, allowing your visitors to choose what they want to learn or explore in more detail. From there, click on Settings. This menu offers control over how your accordion behaves and appears, such as adjusting the default state of sections, whether they're expanded or collapsed when the page loads. This is also where you can customize things like font size, colors, and other visual elements to ensure your accordions match the rest of your website's theme. Lastly, head over to the Layout section to make final adjustments. Here you can tweak aspects such as spacing and alignment, ensuring your content is neatly arranged within the accordion. This attention to detail can significantly improve the readability and flow of information for your site's visitors. By walking through these steps, you now have a collapsible section on your Wix site, making it not only visually appealing, but functionally rich. Remember, the key to good web design is a balance between style and usability. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!